Hey everyone, my name is Ariel. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. And the reason I'm so excited about it whoa, relax. The reason why I'm so excited about it is because it is pretty much the introduction to a new series here on my channel. I'm so excited about it because it is just one of the type of looks that I absolutely love, and the looks are monochromatic makeup looks. While I'm applying my makeup, I did make it a little bit chatty because I know that sometimes I don't talk in my videos at all, so I did explain a little bit of why I love monochromatic looks so much. It just reminds me of my childhood a little bit, and I really wanted to create this to not necessarily be wearable looks, although I will make those, but don't be surprised if I try to do some oddly colors because I do plan on doing very bold, unique colors. I still feel so weird having straightened my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in about 4 months. If you've been watching my channel, it's been straight up natural curls, but I just wanted a little bit of a change, but I don't know, I can't. Be sure to leave me your requests down in the comments below of what you want me to add to this series, what colors you want me to do. So anyways, if you want to learn how to get this makeup look, and just keep on watching and I'll show you how. So this is Wait For It by Colourpop Cosmetics and Making Moves, and I think that I'm going to go in with both of them today. I'm going to go in with the lighter one on my lid and the darker one in my crease. I kind of wanted to do it reverse, but I don't want to create something too crazy because it always ends up looking a little crazy. So I'm going to just use, this one on the lid. I think I'm falling out of love with this foundation and it makes me upset. But anyways, I'm going to get a flat shader brush. This is from Wet n Wild. It's like 99 cents. You can't go wrong. And I'm just going to, I'm not being precise. It's going to be a little messy. And just apply it all over the lids. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand how excited I am about this series. Right now I'm in a rush, so I'm like kind of a little upset about it because I feel like, I don't know, I've been putting off this video for a long time. I knew that I wanted to start off with this color first, and so I had a couple of products in mind just laid out that I would use for this video, but I don't know, I just feel like I could have been just a little bit more creative, or I could have researched something a little bit more. I mean, you're your own worst critic, right? I feel like I never do a roundish eyeshadow shape, but it's just really difficult to do. I guess I'm just not used to it because of my eye shape. The longer eye looks are just more flattering on my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with Making Moves, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blending brush and applying it into the crease, just again very messily. I want this to be kind of a, not smoked out, but just fused out type of monochromatic look. Tap off the excess so that it's not too blotchy when you apply it on. Alright, so my mom is very into fashion. She went to school for cosmetology, and she actually does permanent makeup and all that makeup tattoo stuff, and she did nails for a while when I was younger, so she knows the whole thing. Whenever I would match my clothes, I know that's just a little bit of a background, okay? I have a storyline here. So whenever I would match my clothes, or whenever my mom would pick my clothes out for me or something like that, the colors had to be the same. Like I didn't understand someone who would wear, like, it's one thing to be matching, but it's another thing where I felt like the color, the hue, they had to be the same in order for me to wear them, like to put my outfits together. So if I wanted to match, let's say I was just matching my jeans and my shirt, just like whatever. If it had a design on it or something, but the color was a little bit off, I wouldn't wear it, I wouldn't match them. It had to be around the same hue, but it had to keep that monochromatic look. And I've always been obsessed with looks like this, and I don't really see a lot of people doing a bunch of makeup tutorials, so to say, anymore. I see more reviews now than anything, so I just wanted to include this in my channel. I'm just going to be blending back and forth, I haven't created an all matte look in a long time, and I kind of want to use this shade right here. It's from the All I See Is Magic palette from Colourpop, but I think that, you know, this look might just need a little bit of shimmer. This shade is called Pitter Patter. So with my finger, I'm going to apply it just on, oh yes. I'm going to apply it only on the center. I haven't done this in a really long time. Yes. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I actually also thought that I wasn't going to be able to upload today, and I think this is going to be a late night video. I'm sorry if you're disappointed. So I basically almost put it everywhere, but this matches so well. And I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush that we used before, the blending brush, with no extra product and just going back and forth. And that is key. I feel like I want to do a bit of a highlight, like this color in the center. I just swatched it. So I'm actually going to take Now and Zen, and I'm going to apply that. Oh my god, this brush got dirty. I'm just gonna apply that right in the tear duct. I hope this means it's still monochromatic, or no. I feel like I also put this video off for a while because I've been doing a lot of looks like this, like, I don't know, with this type of shade, and I didn't want them to be repetitive. But leave me your request down below of what colors you'd want me to make monochromatic looks with, because I'm down for all the crazy colors, all the, well, not crazy colors, but all of the bold colors. I think I want to do like an olive one soon, so I'm super excited about it. But to curl the lashes really quickly. I'm in like such a rush. Hector's gonna come with the baby in like 10 minutes. But the show must go on. So I actually purchased this mascara for this video. I don't know, I just thought that I'd do something a little bit different and just not regular basic black mascara. I found this color. It is in Coral Reef. It is from NYX Cosmetics, and it's their color mascaras, and I thought, oh my god, that's so perfect for this video that I'm going to make. So I bought it, and let's just experiment. And of course, mascaras never taste good except, taste? What? They never smell good except Maybelline's Total Temptation. That smells good, but who cares? Alright, so here we go. Oh my gosh, we are committed. We are committed to this series. It's so weird. Okay. I like don't even know what to think right now. This is not really good at all, and it makes me upset. I feel like I'm just applying paint. Look at how that just applied all over. I'm really not trying to be a diva right now, but this is not working out. It just like weighed them all the way down. Alright, so you know what? I don't like this mascara at all, but I really wanted to use this coral color on my lashes, so what I'm going to do is wipe this off really quickly. This is the thing about trying out new products on camera. Okay, so I'm going to wipe it off before it like dries down. I don't even know how it's going to dry down. And then I'm just going to apply it to my lower lash line, just for the gram, to be honest. And then it's going back. But if you're looking for a color mascara, like really looking for one, this is not where to go. Alright, I'm back, and I did the best that I could in trying to remove it. I just took a Q-tip and I started swiveling it around. Now I'm just going to try and apply and mix this in. It's too late now. I'm not going to take all of this off. So I'm just going to apply a few generous coats of this black mascara. I thought it was going to end up looking ridiculous, like clumpy lashes, but I don't think they're that bad. So now I'm just going to try and coat these lower lashes with this mascara. It's very, it's like the worst formula ever. Whatever. I feel like I have to apply a large amount at once because if not, it just keeps sweeping it away. Frustrating. So now I'm just going to add a little bit more definition to my face because it's just one color right now. I'm going to shade in my cheekbones with my usual contour shade. I just want to add some color, some life, give myself a little chisel, you know? For blush, I'm going to use this Milani Baked Blush in the oh so infamous Luminoso. It's just the perfect corally blush, and it's also the perfect blush for springtime. So good, so good. And for this look, I actually knew I wanted to apply a generous amount, so I'm going to be using a duo fiber brush. If you don't own a duo fiber brush for your blush, then you should. I'm applying it right to the apples and bringing it back. I want my face to be really blushed out. And what the duo fiber brush is going to do is just apply less product and help you blend it out more. So if you're someone that always goes overboard with your blush, like me, then you need one of these. And this is from Real Techniques. I use it all the time. I don't own a peachy like a corally undertoned highlight, but what I do have is Precious Petals by Wet n Wild, and I feel like it's a pinkier. It meshes. I didn't know whether highlights would be included in the whole monochromatic look of it, but I'm gonna really try to stick to everything being the same color. So I'm just going to apply that right here. And this is also a brush from Wet n Wild, except it's from their Pro collection. And I love this brush for, I guess, a bright highlight when I want to make it look more precise than lit from within, so to say. So just right here, a little bit right here. I'm not even looking at the mirror. A little bit right here where I got a wrinkle already because I started to deteriorate. One thing that I can't do, like, at all is not highlight my Cupid's bow. It adds this extra, like, sexy, like, beam to your face. I know that's a little weird to say, but it looks just very sultry, especially in pictures. Look at that. Ooh. On the lips today, we're going to be using Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. I haven't used one of these on this channel in a really long time. I do have an entire swatch video of this whole collection, this whole liquid lipstick, all of the colors. I do have a video, so I'll leave it in the description box below if you want to go check it out. So this shade is in Coral Corruption. I remember it was one of my favorites. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and for watching this video. I really appreciate the time that you take out of your day to watch them. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell button, that way you get notified whenever I do post a video, which is every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I don't know how often I'm going to be making these monochromatic makeup looks or if it's going to be like a once a week type of thing. I really don't know. For now, I'm just going to try to get really inspired by certain colors and just create them as I go. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye. Kind of freaking out here. Don't know why. I'm going to take the same if you don't own it, I'm honestly sweating at how much anxiety I have right now. My armpits are, they're moist. I hate that word. But I knew that it's do the chicken dance to dry these armpits. It's the armpit drying dance. Oh, I'm so excited, I can't deny it.